Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Our project title is Yearly Detection of Alzheimer Disease from Cortical and the Hypothetical Local Field Potential using the Ensemble Machine Learning Model. So, in this objective is study based to develop the method, identify the potential blood based non-amyloid biomarkers for the yearly Alzheimer disease detection process. The blood attribute because the assembled on the reliability in expansive. Our method mainly based on the machine learning techniques support vector mission particularly because their ability to the create multivariable model by learning pattern from complex data. Using the novel selection and evaluation modelization, we identify the 5 panel for based on that service of the biometric yearly Alzheimer disease. In particular, we depend upon that A2M, APE, and then BNP, and range, and then SGOT. Maybe the key biometric profiles of the early disease detection to identify the panel achieved sensitivity and then area under receiving operation curve is based on the AUC at least 0.8 to the strategy of the performance analyzer latest strategies of the disease. The existing ML performs purely in comparison of the disease based on the strategies under the protein panel to the not be suitable for the yearly disease detection. Our result based on the flexibility of yearly detection and Alzheimer detection based on the biometrics. First, we have start the process based on the Anaconda Navigator tool. After the select the data, so we have carry out your data for the data selection. After cleaning data means is a 3 step label encoding, missing values, and then unnecessary row and column will be removed. 3 steps. Missing values means in the data frame wise, if have any missing values there, we are checking. After that, the prediction based on that good prediction, so it based on the so data processing. After the data pre-processing, the count vectorization, feature selection, classification, and prediction. Classification we are using the SVM algorithm, support vector machine algorithm. Finally, we have predicted the healthy and non-healthy process. Finally, we have calculated the performance analysis, accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, confusion matrix, everything. First, we can open your Anaconda Spider tool. After run the code option. So first we have read the data set. So first we have read the data frame. After that, the missing values we are checking. So the SES based on the 29 are missing, MMC based on the 2 values are missing. After that, we can replace here the removal for the missing values. After that, the label encoding process. So not democrated based on the 0, democrated based on the 1. So we have the label encoder. After the label encoding, we are converting to the 0 and 1. After the performance analysis is based on the accuracy, precision, sensitivity, everything. Finally, we have predict your model. So it's randomly predict your model. So it based on that input parameter is 1 means is a democrator. So how many non-democrator and democrator is anomaly and non-anomaly we are checking, and performance analysis we are calculating accuracy, precision, recall, sensitivity, specificity, everything, and then confusion matrix also.